Hi guys, in today's video I will show you how you can slow down audio in Sony Vegas. Import your media. Press U key to separate video track from audio track. Use the S key to split the audio where you want to apply slowdown effect. Now you can delete part of audio you don't need it. Press and hold the Ctrl key. Hover over the edge of audio track until the cursor changes. Drag and drop the extend audio duration. Note that stretching audio too much can cause distortion. Play the edit audio. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing and liking video.